Something that I've been doing today repeatedly is resizing and centering tables on a page. And I thought I'd share this quick tip with you because I thought might be something you need to do too. Here I've got some keyboard shortcuts for my new Outlook webinar that's coming up on January the 16th, 2024. If you haven't registered and it's before then, go have a look at that. I'll leave a link in the description. But right now, I've got all these tables and they're not quite right. So here I have the top two, which look how I want them to look, more or less. And then I've got these other ones. I'm not going to go into where I got them from. I copied them from Outlook keyboard shortcuts somewhere, and I've plonked them into my Word document. So I'm clicked into this little table, which isn't sitting where I want it. And I have the table layout ribbon open. And I can go here to Properties and choose Center. This will allow me to align the table in the center of the page. Well, that's good so far, but it doesn't look quite right yet. Then I'll come up to the AutoFit and choose AutoFit to Window. And then it stretches the table out, stretches everything out, and makes it fit correctly. So let me do this to the second one by starting with the AutoFit to Window and then going to Properties and choosing Center. And that just lines it up a little bit more. So you can see that it's very quick to AutoFit to Window, go to Properties and choose Center, or do it the other way around. Now, one last thing I want to show you is AutoFit to Contents. This squishes everything down and it makes the largest entry in a column the default width for that column. So now having AutoFit to Contents, I can go and center it on the page, but you can see that now it doesn't really look right. So I can come back and choose Auto Fit to Window, and then it stretches it out. So that's it. In just a couple of minutes, I've been able to resize all of the tables in my document and make sure that they are centered on the page, making it look a lot smarter. And you can do this too. To learn more about anything to do with Microsoft Word, you can take my Essential Word for the Savvy Assistant course, which you can find at www.msofficemaestro.com. Or you can book me to deliver live training into your organization, or why not book a one-to-one power hour with me? Coming up in January, I have a new webinar on the new Outlook, which is what these keyboard shortcuts are for, and I'll pop the link in the description of this video. I'll also add a link for you to sign up to my newsletter, Tech Tips and Tales from the MS Office Maestro, which goes out every week. And do remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another video sometime soon.